This right here is the Whynter stainless steel ice cream and yogurt maker. I'm going to make a yogurt ice cream and a regular vanilla ice cream in here and show you the process and what the results are so you can see what your desserts will actually look like once they're ready. First, we made a strawberry mango frozen yogurt ice cream. The machine comes with a manual and easy to follow instructions on how to make everything. The first step was to blend everything in a blender and then pour it into the stainless steel bowl. We use frozen fruits for this, but you can use fresh fruits as well. Then you take your bowl to the machine and place it in. Power on the machine, and since we are making a yogurt ice cream, you select the ice cream mode and click start. By default, the machine is set to 1 hour make time, which is all it takes to make this frozen yogurt ice cream. Once you press start, you'll see it spinning, and then that's how you know it's all working well and good. At this point, you just leave it. Once the 60 minutes are done, there will be a beep and your ice cream is ready. So now that our frozen yogurt is ready, let's take a look at the texture. You might have to tug a little bit to get the container out, but that goes to show you how cold it gets inside. The machine comes with a plastic scoop, but I don't think it's the greatest. You might be better off with a spoon or a regular ice cream scoop. I just don't feel the scoop is strong enough for the ice cream. You can see how similar it is to ice cream though. I would say texture-wise, the frozen yogurt ice cream is less creamy and more like a sorbet, but harder. A reason for that could be we use frozen fruits and not fresh fruits, so it already carried a bit of that texture. Now moving on to make actual vanilla ice cream, there's some prep work that happens beforehand, and all of that is in the instruction manual and easy to follow. You'll have most ingredients in your home though. So once that prep work is done, you pour your mixture into the stainless steel bowl, and take note that this mixture is much more liquidy than the frozen yogurt ice cream we made before. And once again, with the vanilla ice cream, you put it on ice cream mode for 60 minutes, which is the default, and that's it, nothing else to it. Now I came back to look at it at the halfway mark just to see if everything was on track, and you can definitely see the ice cream texture coming together already. Once the ice cream is done its cycle, it automatically shifts to a cool mode, which lasts for 30 minutes, and that's simply to keep the ice cream cold so it won't melt, which buys you 30 more minutes before getting it out. You can also adjust all of these times, that's totally up to you. I couldn't wait to take it out, so I just scooped the ice cream right inside, and I'm simply amazed. I wasn't sure if I would get that ice cream texture exactly because of the strawberry frozen yogurt, but this ice cream not only looks creamy, but it tastes creamy, and it is probably one of the best ice creams I have had with no bad aftertaste. I'm simply shocked this machine did this and how easy it was.